Ensuring compliance with accessibility laws. It goes beyond just EN 301-549. There's much more to consider now. The importance of conforming to EN 301-549 can't be understated, but full compliance means following the European Accessibility Act. Complete compliance with the EAA requires adhering to a wider, more comprehensive set of regulations than just EN 301-549. National laws that cover the EAA present a diverse range of rules for organizations offering products and services in Europe. These supplemental requirements mainly revolve around managing accessibility within an organization, not just product features. Understanding national laws and compliance means knowing what each country requires for accessibility under the European Accessibility Act. First, accessibility training for employees is a fundamental pillar of EAA compliance. Everyone should be properly trained. Next, ongoing monitoring of accessibility measures is crucial to maintain compliance with national laws under the EAA. Finally, creating and publishing an accessibility statement is a significant requirement for all covered organizations. This statement should include information on the functionality of the product service, documentation detailing technical accessibility specifications and design processes, explanation of how the product service satisfies EAA's accessibility criteria, names of relevant enforcement authorities for handling accessibility complaints, incorporating accessibility within organizational practices. National laws inspired by the EAA necessitate a multifaceted approach towards accessibility. It is not merely about meeting basic standards, but integrating accessibility principles deeply within an organization's operations. Next, strategies for ensuring compliance. 1. Establishing clear accessibility guidelines. Providing clear and concise accessibility guidelines helps in steering organizational efforts in the right direction. 2. Encouraging a proactive accessibility culture. Promoting a proactive accessibility culture within the workplace fosters a mindset geared towards inclusion and compliance. 3. Regular accessibility audits. Conducting routine. Accessibility audits aids in identifying potential areas of improvement and maintaining compliance with the law. The significance of accessibility oversight. 1. Leadership commitment to accessibility. Leadership buy-in and commitment to accessibility initiatives play a crucial role in driving organizational compliance. 2. Dedicated accessibility task force. Having a specialized team focused on accessibility can streamline compliance efforts and foster a culture of inclusion. Conclusion: conforming with EN 301-549 is just the starting point in a broader landscape of accessibility regulations governed by national laws encompassing the EAA. By prioritizing accessibility training, continual monitoring, and publishing detailed accessibility statements, organizations can navigate the complexities of compliance while championing inclusivity. Are your websites and blogs ADA, EAA, and Wcag international standards compliant? Contact us today for your free web audit report. Enter or click the link to enter your primary email address and we'll send you the details. Don't delay, do it now before it's too late.